your finger here, squeeze the trigger, and gently.
There's one right there.
Okay. Don't be afraid to shoot. Get him now.
Got him.
Okay, unload. You just smoked him in the head. You just got your first bird. Congratulations. You guys, he just got his first bird. We got into a covey of them. 2 took off.
There's 3.
He did it, guys. Let's go put, yeah, let's go get your bird. You're unloaded, right? I'm gonna film you picking up your bird. So let's go get him. Watch, there'll be another one. Oh, you got him, buddy. He was coming out. That's a big one too, Aiden. That's a good one.
Oh my gosh.
That's a big bird. You did it, buddy. That's a big one. Holy crap, that's a big bird. I'm not touching. He's your bird. Look at the size of the fan, Aiden. That's gonna be beautiful. We gotta take care of him. Now you pick him up by his feet. Save that shell.
I'm keeping this shell.
You keep that shell. Come on, let's get this. Just roll him over, but be gentle with his fan, because we're gonna save that. Yeah, just roll him over. Don't be afraid of him. Okay, pick him up by his feet. Grab his feet and pick him up.
My gosh, I'm so shaky.
That's your bird. You got, yep, pick him right up. That's a big one.
I'm so shaky.
All right, I know, because you're adrenaline. If you flip him around and put his belly in your hand, and then you can, let me show you. Sorry guys, gonna put you down for a minute. Like this, Bubba. Okay.
I didn't even hit him.
Oh, you don't worry, you got him.
Well, he's definitely dead.
Hold him, hold his head up like this. Now be careful his fan, because we know we're gonna make a fan out. He's huge, Aiden. This is a big bird. Okay, now hold him like this. Okay, you can hold his head up if you want. Just kind of hold it. Here it is, guys. Partridge number 1. We got it done, and we still have all day today, all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's opening deer season, so we'll do a little bit of both. But look at that, guys, and we got it all on GoPro. We got the whole thing on GoPro. You happy?
Very.
He's a big one. Good job. I love you. All right, well, stay tuned, folks. We'll be back.